This is our mint plant. I'm gonna make mint lemonade, so I need about 25 to 40 leaves, just depending on how minty I want the lemonade. And mint will grow back quite frequently, so I'm just gonna trim it like halfway down until I have like enough leaves. I'm not gonna do all of them. That's probably like just a couple more stalks. The bigger ones, because I kind of feel like mint will seed up and I don't want it to seed. That one. And then let's cut that one. That's not mint. What are you doing in there? You are not mint. Get rid of him. Does that look like 25 to 40 leaves? No. No, it does not. Look at the catnip I trimmed a couple days ago. It's already growing back. There. That should be enough. For the mint lemonade, I got my fresh mint sugar. I'm gonna cut up 2 large lemons, washed, cut into small pieces with the seeds removed, and then you're gonna add the juice of 1 large lemon. These lemons were like $1.79 each, so I just bought this lemon juice because I needed it. So when you have concentrated lemon juice like this, 2 to 3 tablespoons equals the juice of 1 lemon. And so I am going to see, what do you do next? You add all the ingredients into a high quality blender, cover and blend or liquefy. Oh, and it's 2 cups of crushed ice. 2 cups of crushed ice, 4 cups water, 2 large lemons cut up, bunch of mint leaves. Are you gonna help? You gonna help? I will link this recipe down below. I got it off the internet from the Mediterranean dish. So this is mint. You don't like mint. You only like catnip. Trust me. I know you're tempted, but no. I have all the ingredients except for the water. I forgot to add the water. Hold on one second. I find it weird that I'm gonna have to blend the whole lemons, but that's what the recipe calls for. But I forgot to add 2 cups of water. Actually, the recipe called for 4 cups water. I thought this was a standard size blender. The lady must have had a huge blender, so I only added 2 cups water. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. Is that on tight? Okay, so it said pulse. Let's grate it some more, or should I liquefy it? Let's see what liquefied is. And I am gonna strain it before drinking it. It does say strain it. I just was hoping it would turn more green, to be like Beetlejuice green. The picture online made it look a lot more green, but I don't know. I'm not using food coloring. I'm just gonna let it look natural. All right, I'm straining it. It did grind it up really well. Okay, it will stay up if I set it on the counter. And then I'm gonna have to add 2 more cups water, because when I blended it, the recipe calls for 4 cups water. Yeah, so we'll add 2 cups water.
Sage.
I added the pulp back into the blender with some more ice and 2 cups cold water. Get some more out of that. Let's see. So I should do liquefy. Hold it down.
Yeah, hold it down.
I strained it a second time, and this is the pulp that's left. I don't have the strongest blender in the world. I probably would have had less pulp if I had a stronger blender, but perfectly happy with this. Now we're gonna give it a taste test. Danny, what are you doing? Are you trying to hide from us? It's not gonna work. You can't hide from us. It is very green. I like it. Definitely Halloween-y, right? Beetlejuice lemonade. Right, taste test. I didn't taste it along the way, and I should have.
Look at, it's funny. Look at the top.
I know, I like the little green on the top. That is really good.
It is good. Zesty.
I don't know. Can you taste the mint?
No.
Should I put a lot of mint in there.
That is strange.
I don't taste mint. It's just really zesty lemonade. It's really good lemonade.
Why is that so weird?
I put 40 mint leaves in it, and Robert did taste the mint before I used it. It was very minty.
Where did the mint go?
I don't know. I guess we strained out all the mint. Maybe we should throw some mint leaves in here. Okay, that's what you get for not taste testing it along the way. I should have added more mint leaves.
You get the zest though,
It's really good.
It's like you get the peel.
Yeah, I would have never thought of blending up the entire lemon when making lemonade. It worked.
It did work.
It did work.
It was a lot easier, but yeah, good.
Yeah, it's not an easy method, but I would
and
do
it's
it.
hard because you're using those stiff lemons, Meyer lemons. Remember
Did you
those?
like it?
Yeah, I like it.
I like it. I can't get over it. I really thought it was going to taste minty. That's my bad. I should have added more mint.
Where did the mint go? Well, you know what? I can feel it on my tongue.
Can you... Maybe it's like an aftertaste. I'm kind of getting like...
It's just starting to show up.
Maybe it's just subtle, because it doesn't taste like normal lemonade.
You know what? Maybe it has something to do with it because like the leaf has like an oil in it or something.
I like it. And I like the color. This is a perfect Halloween drink. It's a really cool color. How to make your drink green naturally.
See oil.